Assembling the FELIS bed is quick and easy. You just need to follow the procedure in the order and in the manner shown in this video. After opening the packages, arrange the various components as you see in the images. This will allow you to work comfortably and in the most effective way using the space you have available. To begin with, apply the protective felt pads to the corner brackets on the side without holes. On the opposite side, mount the feet. Now loosen the screws located in groups of 3 at the 2 side edges of the headboard and on the side rails of the bed at the edge near the footboard. Mount the metal bracket, sliding the screws into position into the slotted holes. Tighten the screws. Repeat the operation for the 4 corner brackets. Now start working on the side rails. Remove the 8 Allen screws that will be used to secure the lifting mechanisms. Extend the arm of one lifting mechanism as shown. Then place the lifting mechanism in its correct position and replace the screws that you removed previously, tightening them. Close the arm of the lifting mechanism and repeat the procedure on the other side. Now proceed with installing the small L-shaped brackets. Remove the 2 screws located at the center of both the footboard and the headboard. Then mount the L brackets, replacing the screws and tightening them as shown. To join the side rails to the footboard and the headboard, it is advisable to raise the headboard to a vertical position, perhaps leaning it against a wall or asking another person to assist you. Now, loosen the 3 screws located near the edge of the side rails on the headboard side and slide them into the slotted holes of the metal corner brackets, as shown in the images. Then, mount and tighten the center crossbeam, and finally proceed with mounting the footboard, following the same procedure used for the headboard. Check that all the Allen screws are securely tightened and proceed with mounting the bottom panels. Mount the handles as shown, using the M4 cross-slot screws on one side and the corresponding M4 flathead barrel nuts on the opposite side. The central hole is used for the support foot. Secure the foot in place using the M8 flathead screw provided. The bottom of the support foot can be adjusted to find the correct extension and ensure the best stability and effectiveness. Notice how the dust seals are located on the 3 outer edges of the panels. These will allow you to quickly recognize the correct orientation of the panels before placing them into the supporting structure. Insert the panels into the structure, sliding them in as shown in the images. Now you can install the slatted base. Place the slatted base frame so that the fixing screw holes on the sides of the frame match the holes on the lifting mechanisms. Tighten the 2 sets of 3 round head screws. Now, raise the slatted base frame and insert the head of the lifting pistons in place. Insert the 2 mattress stops into the holes on the headboard side of the slatted base frame. Putting the fabric cover on is not difficult, as long as you pay attention to a few simple details. The label shown indicates the top of the fabric cover, while the slits at the corner seams are to be positioned at the lowest corners of the structure. If the bed is equipped with a horizontal lifting mechanism, you will also need to install the telescopic anti-twist bar. Insert the 2 outer bar sections into the center bar section and insert the center locking screw and its nut without tightening it. Now, fix the 2 ends of the bar to their locations on the 2 lifting mechanisms, adjusting the length of the bar as required. Then tighten the center locking screw.